AI is quietly replacing entire industries, and no one is ready. Until now. You were told your job was safe, that AI would only replace factory workers, call centers, the low-skill stuff. But behind the scenes, it's already replacing lawyers, designers, accountants, engineers, even therapists. White-collar, high-paying creative jobs gone without warning, maybe even yours. And the scariest part? This shift has already begun. You just didn't notice. This video exposes the industries already being taken over and why almost no one is ready. It started as a thought experiment. Could machines think? In 1950, Alan Turing proposed a test. If a machine could converse indistinguishably from a human, could it be called intelligent? By 1956, at Dartmouth College, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined. The dream was ambitious, to build machines that could replicate or even exceed human intelligence. Decades passed, and progress came in waves. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue beat world chess champion Garry Kasparov, but that was just the beginning. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo conquered the game of Go, a feat many thought was still decades away. AI wasn't just logical, it was strategic. Then came the neural networks. GPT-2 in 2018, GPT-3 in 2020, ChatGPT in 2022. AI had started learning from the entire internet, writing essays, debugging code, answering questions with eerie precision. In 2023, generative AI exploded. Midjourney created art, Copilot wrote code, and large language models passed professional exams. What started in dusty labs has become the most disruptive force since the internet. Only this time, it's not just changing how we work, it's changing who works. AI was initially seen as a tool for repetitive tasks, data entry, scheduling, manufacturing. But today, it's far more advanced, and the shift is accelerating. AI isn't just assisting, it's replacing, quietly. And entire industries are feeling the impact. Goldman Sachs estimates that 300 million full-time jobs could be automated worldwide in the coming years. That's nearly the entire working population of America. And it's not slowing down. This is more than disruption. It's a total rewiring of the global workforce. Across fields like marketing, finance, and design, AI is already outpacing human workers. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Gemini can analyze data, brainstorm, draft proposals, generate designs, and test ideas, all in seconds. A single model can now create a brand identity, write an ad campaign, simulate user feedback, and iterate without rest. An experiment by Harvard Business School found AI outperformed professional marketers in 9 of 10 campaigns. In 2023, Klarna replaced 700 customer service roles with an AI that now handles 2/3 of inquiries, cutting costs and response times. Marketing firm Codeword reduced staff by 30% after AI integration. This isn't limited to startups. Multinationals like Unilever and Accenture are retraining staff to work with AI or risk redundancy. McKinsey reports that AI will affect 60 to 70% of all jobs by 2030, either by automating tasks or transforming roles entirely. Law firms use Harvey AI to review contracts, draft legal briefs, and summarize case law at scale, tasks once handled by teams of junior associates. Therapists, apps like Wobot offer CBT to millions. In 2023, a study in JMIR Mental Health found that 60% of users reported reduced symptoms after using AI therapy tools. In design, clients often choose Midjourney mockups over human-made drafts for speed and cost. One agency reported a 70% cut in production time after adopting AI tools. Copywriting agency Jasper AI served over 100,000 clients in 2023 alone, automating website copy, product descriptions, and even sales emails. The trend is clear: faster delivery, fewer human. Even high-skill creative jobs are being reshaped. Today's AI can brainstorm, revise, and analyze feedback in real time. McKinsey says over 50% of job tasks can already be automated with today's tech. And PwC projects that AI will add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, mainly by increasing productivity and reducing labor costs. The roles may stay, but the responsibilities are changing fast. AI isn't coming for the future. It's already here, baked into hiring, marketing, content, logistics, and decisions being made every second. But that doesn't mean you're powerless. It means the game has changed. So, how do you survive it? The most future-proof professionals are becoming AI native, not coders necessarily, but creatives, analysts, marketers, and operators who know how to harness AI to work smarter and faster. A LinkedIn report showed a 48% increase in job postings mentioning AI collaboration in the last 18 months. A prompt engineer today is what a spreadsheet expert was in 2005. Indispensable. Clear thinking, better prompting, and knowing how to talk to machines is a new literacy. OpenAI's CEO Sam Altman said, knowing how to work with AI tools will be as essential as knowing how to use a browser. Want to stay irreplaceable? Focus on what AI still struggles with: empathy, judgment, leadership, and context. Then combine that with tool fluency. A 2024 McKinsey study found that jobs requiring human reasoning, emotional insight, and interpersonal connection were the least automatable and the most likely to grow in demand. One solo entrepreneur used AI to cut 60% of her workload by creating custom GPT workflows, scaling her revenue without hiring a single employee. This is the future, human-led, AI accelerated. The average person will switch careers 5 times. AI will multiply that. The key isn't to panic, it's to stay proactive. Adapt early, pivot with intention, keep your edge sharp. If this helped you see the bigger picture, subscribe, because this isn't just about tech, it's about you, and the next chapter is already being written.